Okay. So if you see here, there are different folders downloaded here. Okay, in .m2 folder. This .m2 folder, I'll call it as a local repository. So first what it will do is when you run any command, it will connect to the apache.org. Okay, so it will connect to the repo and then just go up here. Go up. See, wait. Where it is downloading from where? It is trying to connect to the HTTPS repo.maven.apache.org. From here, it will download first time when you run MEN package, it will connect to this internet and then it will go to this repository, okay, repo.maven.apache.org, and then it will download from here and it will keep it in right side .m2 folder. Okay, see right side you see .m2 folder. So here everything it will download and it will keep it here. Okay. So next onwards, when you run second time when you run MEN package, first it will look here .m2 folder. If everything is present here in .m2 folder, then it won't connect to the internet. Okay. So if it is not present, then only it will connect and it will download. So initially it is downloaded. See, there is something called JUnit in the right side. Okay. Inside this JUnit, whatever to run the test case, it is present here. Okay. See, some third-party jars, okay, everything is here. We have written, you have a file .test.app, right? .java, test.java in your folder. Not here. Okay, open another window. No, leave this repositories like that. Yeah. Not here. Right click, wait. Right click on. Not here. You have to go to the, where is that? Practice, Maven practice. Leave this, don't disturb this. Open another browser, go to D drive. Yeah, go inside this. Go to SRC. See, there is a test folder. Go inside this test. Java, go inside this. You have COM, go inside this. COM1. See, here this is the test case they are written. Okay. This will be written by the test engineer. This is a code. So this I have mentioned it in the dependency actually. Go to Pom.xml now. Go to Pom.xml, you have already downloaded. You have opened that Pom.xml right in a browser. Just go to that. No, don't disturb this. Go inside this COM test. See, here you have a dependency. See, in this dependency node, there is something called JUnit. See, JUnit and then 4.11 version. Okay, they have mentioned this in the dependency. So to run this, okay, minimize this. Now I have mentioned this dependency in the Pom.xml. So to run this app test.java, if you want to compile this, there is a dependencies which is required from the log4j. Okay, so you are going to download this whatever dependency required to run this app test.java, app test Java. So you are going to download and then you are going to keep it in a JUnit folder. You are going to keep it in .m2 folder. Go to .m2 folder. Repository, inside repository. You have JUnit folder. It is downloaded from internet and it is kept here. Go inside this something 4.11 it is mentioned, right? See, there is a 4.11 folder. So that's what you have mentioned it in the dependency. In the Format XML, you have mentioned this. Okay. See, if you delete this folder and again if you run MEN package, it will take time. Okay, delete this folder, go back. Remove this. See, 747 it is downloaded. Now remove this. Okay, now if you run MEN package, see down. Okay, it is not. Wait. Before running this, see there is a testing phase, right? So here, just if you go up here, it is not showing anything downloading because it is tried. Okay, it is able to find all your things required in your .mp folder. Now that's why it is not shown any downloading part in the second time. Just scroll down. Second time, see, it has taken very less seconds. Now we'll try to run MEN package. Okay, wait. Before running, keep these two windows side by side. Command line and as well as those folder structure keep side by side. Before running, okay, this is a one folder. Okay, JUnit it is going to again create it. Before this, just go to another folder, MEN practice you have written now. MEN practice folder also you have opened. Okay, go to that, go back, go back, go back. Now see, there is a target folder. 756 it is created. So if you want, you can remove this also. If you run MEN clean also, it will run. Okay, now see here, there is no target folder and there is no JUnit. Okay, when you run this MEN package, it will connect to the internet and it will download the JUnit folder and it will keep it in your .mp folder. After keeping that, again it will compile and then it will create a target folder here in the left side. Okay, so let us see. Now run MEN package and see. See, before it has taken very less time. So let us see now how much time. See, it is downloading something. See, now it has taken little bit more seconds. That means it is connected to the internet and it is downloaded for you. Okay, now go to the, see, here also, see, JUnit, it is just now, it is downloaded. Before it was not deleted, right, manually. Okay, now open that SRC folder. Inside that, okay, you got all these things. See, target folder is also just now created. Okay, you JUnit and target all these things. So now you got the package also, it has run the JUnit test cases. So whatever you're going to define in a Format XML, everything will be downloaded and kept here. See, if you see the time, it is very less only because it is taken all the dependencies from a.m2 folder. Initially, it will down. See, those folders, everything will be downloaded. When it is downloaded, 747. Okay. And there is 702 also sometime. Okay, some folders are created. Okay. So depending on your Format XML, whatever is required, everything will download and keep it in your .m2 folder. This I'll call as a local repository. Whatever it is connecting to that central repository, right? Central HTTP repo dot mamin dot. Okay. This path I'll call it as a central repository or public repository so that anybody can connect to this and then they can download. So public repository or central repository. .m2 folder is your local repository. Clear? So this is how the Maven is going to work. So now Just say MEN clean and see. The target folder complete, it is going to be deleted. Go and check target folder. Okay. So now just say MEN compile. MEN compile. Enter. Okay, MEN clean. Target will go off actually. When you run MEN clean, run the command MEN clean. Okay. See, target folder is deleted now. Okay. So go to that life cycle again. Graphically open your browser, right? Life cycle. ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ರಿ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ MEN in 5 minutes. Okay, now go to the life cycle. See what is this life cycle. So first is default, validate, compile, test, package. Okay. So package means it will run all the previous steps. Now when I run MEN compile, so it will only run validate and compile. Okay, just try. Now target folder is not there. Okay, just MEN compile. So before running this, just check that folder structure. There is no target folder. Just see. So there is no target folder. Now if you run this, it will create a target folder. Now go and see target folder. Inside this, go and check. See what it is created. It is compiled and then created a dot class files. Go and check. See, dot class file is created. Okay. So now when you run MEN compile means it will compile only the source code because after this in a target folder nothing is there. Okay. There is no test report. There is no okay dot class files related to test. So now go and check. Okay. Go to this life cycle. Go to life cycle again. See, compile means it will compile the dot class file. Test means it will run the JUnit test. So now it is not run. Okay. Because Java app dot test, whatever the test code is not compiled now because I have not run the package. It is run only compile. That means it will compile and validate and compile. That's it. So now I have to run test. Okay, just go MEN. Do one thing. First clean this again. MEN clean. See the target folder won't be there. Okay. Now go and see target folder is not there. Now you run MEN test. Okay, in a target folder, there is a shoe report. And if you see test classes also. Okay. So test class files is created. Now package is not created. Just go and check in a target folder. There is no package jar file is not created, right? So now what I'll do is again do MEN clean and see next you'll run MEN package. Okay. So now if you run MEN package, clean means everything will delete, right? See, when you say MEN package, it will create a jar file also. Okay. This is how your life cycle is going to work. Clear? Okay. Just say MEN. Okay. So next, if you see that target folder, just go back. There is no folder called site is not created here. Okay. In the same way, go to that .m2 folder. There also just check whether is there any site command. See, there is no folder called site. Okay. So now when you say MEN site, this is another life cycle. Just go to that life cycle. Just scroll down. Yeah, site means it generates site documentation for this project. Okay, so just run this MEN site and see what happens. See, now it will take time. It will connect to the internet and it will download something for you related to the site documentation. Now go and check the folder, target folder. There is another folder site just now created. Okay. Wait. Just go up there also. Yeah. Right side. It is downloaded something. Go slowly and check. Okay, just check the timings, 8:21, which one is downloaded? There are so many folders, it is downloaded at 8:21, just now. Okay. So whatever 8:21 it is downloaded, it is related to this site. Okay. And then using that, it is generated a site documentation in the target folder. Go to the target folder site and there will be a document provided for you. Site, go to the site. So there is a index.html. Open this and see what is the project information. Everything they will be given. So developer project manager can take this. See, it is mentioned each and everything. What is the project information? Okay, what is the dependency about this project? Click on about, it will show about this project. Okay, whatever is required, everything will be shown. This is a site documentation. Okay, MEN default lifecycle, you have validate, compile, test, package, integration test, and then verify, and then okay, install and deploy. Okay, these are the lifecycle. And site is another lifecycle where it will give you the entire documentation of your project which you have done. And then MEN clean will remove the entire directory structure which you have created. Okay, got it. So this is how your Maven is going to work. Okay, so Maven is simple, right? When you compare to the other thing. Only thing here you have to remember is you have to remember the life cycle. Default, you have phases. And then in the clean, another one is going to clean up the artifacts created by prior builds and site generate the site documentation. These are the different life cycle. But in a default, you have to remember this order, validate, compile. If you know, okay, if you practice this, you can remember easily. Because first you have to verify the format XML. After that, it is going to compile, and then next it is going to run the test, and then it will create a package finally. And if you want to deploy it to local, then you can say MEN install, and remote means MEN deploy, so that it will go to the remote repository. Got it? So now when you compare to Ant, this one is simple, right? Everybody with me? Everybody is with me? Everyone able to follow this? So now Maven is simple than the Ant when you compare it. So Maven is going to provide everything for it. Okay, just go to that command line, one more command line. You are creating this artifact archetype, right? See, now if you go to D colon and just check archetype.txt, it will be present. Go to D drive. Graphically, go to D drive. See, there is a archetype.txt. If you open this, everything will be there. All archetype will be present. Just open that file. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. What happened? I think there may be some interruption while running this. Okay. Close this file. D drive permission ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಆರ್ಕಿಟೈಪ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಪದ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪದ ಆರಾಮಾರ್ಕ ಏನ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಆರಾಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಆರಾಮಾರ್ಕ ಏನ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
sir, didn't understand.
ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಡೌನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್.
This one is
ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ? ಅಪ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಡೌನ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೋ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆರ್ಕಿಟೈಪ್. ಅದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್. MVN ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೈಪ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಅದೇ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ.
right.
ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So it will create all the archetype which is required for your Maven, and it will list down here, and then you can choose whichever you want. Okay, by default it will show whichever is required for your project. Clear? So this will be done from the development side only, but you should know how this format XML looks. Okay, and the direct structure, everything. So that is why Maven is going to work on a principle called convention over configuration. That means, okay, whenever I say convention over configuration, the Maven is going to give a directory structure for you. Okay, wherein other build tools you have to focus on writing the build.xml, where to create a directory, where to create a target, all these things. Here Maven will give you the directory structure, like, okay, source directory, destination directory, okay, all this thing, and it will compile, and then it will give you the entire output, but you have to follow the convention which is given by the Maven. That's it. Okay, file close ಮಾಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. ಯಾವ್ದೊಂದು ಹಳೇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೈಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್. ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೈಪ್ ಇವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಸೈಜ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ 396 ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 2 3 4 up to 1000 archetypes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. Okay, so this is given. So you keep this in your, save this in a D drive. So here, if you want to check what is this archetype is going to do, you can check each and every number. By default, it is saying that 2106 select ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. You can select that and you can continue. Okay, to create a new project. If anything is required, other things, now I have to create jar, right? If you want to create a var, you have to search the archetype which is going to create a var. So you have a notepad, it is saved here. You can search whichever you want, and then you can give the number so that it will take that number. If you don't want this 2106, you have to remove this and then give another number which will download the SRC and then format XML for you. Okay. Clear? Is that concept clear? Okay. So just practice all these things and then come back. Okay, let us see. We'll discuss some more topic. So now practically this is the thing. Okay. Okay. If you want to skip one life cycle, okay, do one thing. So now when you run MEN package, what happens? it will validate, compile, test and package, right? So test is also going to run. Okay, just go to the command line. See, when you run this MEN package, just go up and see there will be a test also completed. Just go up, not site package. Okay, do one thing. Again, clean up, MEN clean. No, if you clean, site also will go off. Okay, don't clean. Just run MEN package. So now it will override the things. See here, test is running here. Just see test running. Okay, some plugin, and then it is going to run the test. Okay, imagine that there is a test running, right? It will take a lot of time. Okay, so I don't want to run the test. Just I want to skip this phase. Okay, then how can I skip? Just go to the Google. Just say how to skip test phase in Maven. So it will give you the command. Test phase. How to skip test phase in Maven. Okay, open the first one. See, this is what you have to write. D skip test also you can give, or else -D Maven test dot skip is equal to true. Okay. Anything you can give. So copy that.
Which one? This one, sir.
Okay. Now go to that command line. Read true is equal to true or go copy matter. Okay.
Paste it.
Now just say MEN package. And after that, to give that, paste that whatever you copied, space, paste that. See, I am skipping the test here. Okay. See, before you got test running compile that output. Now you run this and see, it will say skipping test. Just run this. See, now there is no output of test only. You can check in command line. Go to target folder. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ input. There is a test. Surefire test reports and test clear. Okay. So now actually it is run previously. Now remove that folder and check. Go back. Not target. Remove only test folder. I want to check only test now.
This only.
Yeah. Now run again. Enter. Okay, it is not going to create. Okay, without that again run, without that option. Upper arrow mark. Remove this. F&D test, remove that. Now create it. Okay, in case of test is taking a lot of time, you can skip this. Okay, they'll ask an interview how to skip the phase in a particular phase in a Maven life cycle. Okay, another command, just go to that Google. Even you can use another command, just down. -D skip test also. Wait. just go up. Second command, second down. This also you can run. Okay, copy this. Okay, wait, before running, go to the graphical way and remove the test report. Remove this. Now run MEN package and then that option. Okay, run this and see. See, it shows actually, okay. See, test start skipped. See there, test start skipped. Highlight ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದ.
This one.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಬೋವ್. ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರೀ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈನ್ ಓದಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ವೆಯ್ಟ್, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ com.comp1 test run 1 failed 0 errors all this. Okay, ಈಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ with that option ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
Yes,
ಓಕೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್.